What is my hair doing? Hi Natalie, it's Monday, November 30th. It's almost December. You're gonna be here in 4 days? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday? It looks like a deranged bird. It's Music Monday, and I totally don't have a band for today because I kind of forgot that it was Monday. Because in my head, it was Sunday, just a little bit, because I took a sick day from my job and ended up here. I went to a beauty supply shop today to investigate something called dry shampoo, which sounds really strange, and it kind of is. It's basically like baby powder, but it smells nicer, and it's supposed to like not be baby powder, but that's essentially what it looks like. You put it in your dry, kind of greasy hair and like rub it around, fluff it a little bit, and then your hair doesn't look as dirty without washing it. My diagnosis is that you might as well just wash your hair if you're going to spend the time and money buying dry shampoo. I put it in my bangs, which were pretty greasy, and now they're just like kind of greasy. So maybe it worked a little bit. And of course, I bought you stuff. Yeah, it's true. I got sick again. You never really think you're that person who gets sick a lot until you have a vlog on YouTube, and every other vlog you're like, I'm congested and I'm sick again. Remember that time I was sick in June? Not pretty. Not pretty at all. Every time I make a sudden movement or like walk too fast, all of a sudden I break out into like a cold sweat and I feel feverish and I want to die. That can't be that good. I totally lied. I have a band for today because I just went to a concert on Saturday. The concert I went to was at Terminal 5 in New York City with RJD2, the DJ, and this band called Lotus, who I'm not particularly sure if you'll like or not, but they're interesting to mention, and it's kind of appropriate for Music Monday. I really think that I'd have more music to share if my iPod wasn't kind of broken, and I was kind of excited about listening to music on it, but being that it's broken, it's not really happening. It's really cool. So they were pretty fun live. Kind of moodiness. See you tomorrow.